Are we going? Oh, what's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson. I'm bringing you the Enthusiast Collection 250, the Liberty Edition. It's pretty cool. We have 3 of the 4 models here. They made about a combined total of 2,500 between all 4 models. We will start up here on the Heritage. It's powered by the 117 motor. It has the cool eagle with a 1 on the front. That's a pass-through. I think it's pretty cool. You got the red, white, and blue seating, stitching, saddlebags, the blue windshield, the logo on the front fender. And then we go over here to the Street Glide, which is also powered by the 117 motor, and it's liquid cooled. The blue windshield is prominent on both the Road Glide, the Street Glide, the Heritage, and it comes on the Street Glide 3 Limited, which we don't have today. But you do have the cool logos, the cool stitching on everything, the paint. It's really cool. You got your air cleaner. It's got the red, white, and blue in it. Also in the Derby cover on both of the Road Glide, Street Glide, and the Heritage. If you want to come out and take this bike out or any of these 3 bikes that we have out for a test ride, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom.